When starting a new project, Partner Hub will also offer the option to use a predefined template with pre-selected devices and documents linked to the chosen environment. When choosing a predefined solution architecture, the level of knowledge needed is less important. This feature is particularly useful if you're working with an unfamiliar environment. To use this feature, create a new project from the project tile and select a project type. For now, Partner Hub lets you choose between data center and buildings. Additional solution architectures will be added in the future. For this example, let's select buildings. The next step, architecture details, is an easy way to customize your project. Depending on the information selected in the field, Partner Hub will tailor the experience by selecting the right devices and infrastructures. As a result, the bill of material will already contain products relevant for the project. After these steps, even if the project started with a solution architecture, you can keep on editing your project as usual.